This video explains how to buy shares of PSP Swiss Property AG. PSP Swiss Property AG is a Swiss commercial real estate company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker PSPN.ZU, and this guide is for educational purposes only. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and then add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker PSPN.ZU to locate the listing. Select the result that corresponds to PSP Swiss Property AG to open its asset page. On the asset page, check the company overview and the price chart to confirm it is PSP Swiss Property AG. Verify the exchange shows CBOE EU and the ticker PSPN.ZU to ensure you have the correct stock. Tap Investor Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, review order details including any fees, and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as pending, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio view. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps. This is not financial advice.